Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to be blown away by something truly amazing. We're diving into the world of Maxio.ai, a mind-blowing website builder that can create stunning websites with just one simple prompt. And guess what? These websites are not just beautiful, they can also make you money. So, if you've been dreaming of earning money online, stay tuned as we explore the enchanting powers of Maxio.ai. Before we get started, let me introduce you to Maxio.ai, the website builder of your dreams. Forget about complicated tech stuff, because with Maxio.ai, all you need is one prompt to build a fantastic website. Whether you want a blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, Maxio.ai has got you covered. Okay, let's dive in. Head over to the Maxio.ai website and sign up. Once you're in, it's super easy to get started. Just provide a simple prompt that describes your website's purpose. For example, if you want to build a website for a gym, just type gym website, and boom! Maxio.ai's smart technology takes it from there and creates a draft of your website, and even add your own pictures and videos to make it uniquely yours. The more creative you get, the more visitors you'll attract. Let's try another prompt. For instance, if you want to create a website for selling shoes, your prompt could be a sports shoe selling website. Maxio.ai's advanced AI algorithms will take it from there and generate a website draft based on your prompt. Building a stunning website is one thing, but we also need to ensure it reaches the right audience. Maxio.ai comes with built-in SEO optimization tools that can help improve your website's search engine rankings. This means more organic traffic and potentially more earnings for you. So there you have it, Maxio.ai is the secret sauce to building a successful online business. It's time to embrace the magic and make your dreams come true. Get started with Maxio.ai today, and let's conquer the online world together. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.